In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to convert PDF to LibreOffice. To get started, open the LibreOffice document that you want to turn into a PDF. This can be a text document, spreadsheet, presentation, or another file created inside LibreOffice. Before you export it, it's a good idea to quickly review the document and make sure everything looks the way you want. Check the layout, formatting, images, and spacing because the PDF will preserve the appearance of the file at the moment you export it. Once your document is open and ready, go to the top menu bar and click File. From there, hover over Export As and then select Export as PDF. As soon as you click that option, a settings window will appear. This is where you can control how the final PDF will be created. Inside this pop-up window, you'll have several useful options. You can choose the page range if you only want to export specific pages instead of the entire document. This is helpful if you're sharing just one section or creating a shorter version of a larger file. You can also adjust image settings, which can affect both the visual quality and the final file size. If you want a smaller PDF for easy sharing, these settings can be especially useful. You may also see options to add a watermark. This can be helpful if the document is a draft, confidential, or intended for internal use. In addition, you can choose the PDF version, which may matter if you need compatibility with certain software or devices. There are also structure-related settings that can help preserve how the PDF is organized, which can be important for accessibility and navigation. After you've selected the settings you want, click Export. Your computer's file browser will then open automatically. This is where you choose where the PDF will be saved on your device. Take a moment to select a folder that's easy to find later, such as your desktop or documents folder. You can also edit the file name at this stage, which is useful if you want the PDF to have a clear and recognizable title. When everything looks good, click Save. LibreOffice will then create the PDF and store it in the location you selected. And that's it. Your LibreOffice document has now been successfully exported as a PDF.